Alright, Junior, show me what you made.
Okay, this is the spider box. These are instructions. And there's a salt powered one.
Okay.
Salt powered robot.
Alright. Just go ahead and show me how it works.
So you gotta build it. It looks like this. And you gotta cut.
Just turn it on and show me.
Okay. It's like a spider. I saw it move like this.
No. Okay. Leave it alone.
I don't want it on right now.
Well, I know, but
Huh?
come on, man. I'm trying to make a video.
I'm gonna bite you.
Okay.
That's funny.